Westbridge, Athletic Director at Elder High School, with your May Panther Fitness Center construction update. We are standing right outside the already existing east side doors to the cafeteria. As we continue to pan to your right, you're now looking down the hallway, which stretches the length of the building to the Shaper Center.
So here's the all-glass entrance. As you enter these doors, you're going to be hit with 28 state team titles. The main trophy case here in the middle. Doors flanking both sides of the trophy case. As you enter the 6,000 square feet of training space, more than doubling our current Donahoe Center. Down this way, you see the window opening into the coach's office. To the left behind that wall will be a locker room with 110 lockers in there for our student athletes to change. The windows will be going in this week as we continue to make progress here on the fitness center. We have a targeted completion date and occupancy of June 13th. If you wish to play a financial role in the completion of the PFC, please contact me at Elder High School. Thanks.